In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font size on Wix. Whether you're building a website for your business, a personal project, or just exploring the creative possibilities Wix has to offer, font size is a key element in making your site visually appealing and easy to read. Adjusting the font size can help you emphasize important information, improve readability, and create a more polished design overall. Luckily, Wix makes this process straightforward, and I'm here to walk you through it step by step. By the end of this video, you'll have all the tools you need to customize your text and make your website truly stand out. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is log into your Wix account. Use your email and password to access your account, and once you're in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. This is where you can access all the websites you've created along with their editing tools and settings. Next, navigate to your site's dashboard. If you have multiple websites in your account, simply select the one you want to work on. Once you're in the correct dashboard, you'll see an Edit Site or Edit button. This is your gateway to the Wix website editor. Go ahead and click on that button, and the editor will load, bringing you directly into your website design. Now that you're in the editor, take a moment to locate the specific text box you want to modify. Scroll through your page until you find the section with the text you'd like to adjust. This might be a title, a paragraph, or even a menu item. Whatever it is, make sure you've identified the correct text box before moving on. Once you've found the text box, click directly on it to select it. When you do this, a small toolbar will appear next to the selected text box. This toolbar gives you quick access to a variety of editing options for that specific text element. In the toolbar, look for the Edit Text button. It's usually pretty easy to spot, and it opens up the text editing panel where you can make more detailed adjustments. Go ahead and click on it to reveal additional options. In the Edit Text panel, you'll see a range of customization options, including font style, alignment, color, and of course, font size. To adjust the font size, locate the font size option. This will either be displayed as a drop-down menu or a field where you can adjust the size. To change the font size, you have two options. You can use the up or down arrows to increase or decrease the size incrementally, or you can type in a specific size in pixels, also known as px. For example, if you want your text to be 24 pixels, simply type 24 into the field. As you adjust the size, you'll see the changes reflected in real time on your website. Take a moment to review the changes. Make sure the font size fits well with your overall design and that the text remains readable across different devices. You can preview your site to check how it looks on desktop and mobile views to ensure everything is just right. Once you're happy with the changes, it's time to save your work. To do this, click the Save button. This ensures all the adjustments you've made are stored in your Wix account. But remember, saving doesn't automatically update the live version of your site. To make your changes visible to visitors, you'll need to publish your website. Click the Publish button, and within moments, your updates will go live. Now, anyone who visits your site will see the new font size you've chosen. And that's it. You've successfully changed the font size on your Wix website. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.